How to recover your Snapchat account without email and your phone number. If you have made your Snapchat account without any email or phone number and you suddenly forgot your password, then how do you log in on your password? So what you should do is you can go on Google Chrome, Mozilla, or any other application. I go here on Google, and after going on Google, just search for support.snapchat.com. When you search for it, you will now go through an website like this. So it is automatically on my Google. So when you see on a screen like this, what you can do is simply tap on the option of my account is compromised. And when you tap on this option, you will again see an interface like this. And now just to scroll down and down, and now you will see the option of submit a request, right? So read this all and just scroll down. And now you can type your username here. If you know the email, then you can type the email. If you don't know, then just ignore it. And if you haven't used the phone number, then just ignore it. And just scroll down and on the description, write what is your problem. And after writing it, you can just click on the submit button. And the Snapchat will give you a feedback within 1 or 2 weeks. And then your problem might be solved. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.